In order to install the Microsoft Teams app, first go to sfasu.edu. Then click on the MySFA tab. Once signed into MySFA, click on the Office 365 Apps button. You'll then be prompted to stay signed in. Click Yes. Once on the Office 365 page, click on the Teams app. After the Teams app loads, you can download it by going to the bottom left corner and clicking on the download button. Once the Teams app downloads, click Run. You'll need to sign in using your SFA email. And then it will prompt you with the SFA login page. Once you've signed in using your SFA credentials,
Microsoft Teams will open.
and that's how you install Microsoft Teams.